Hello, hello, hello. This is Mike Reed coming to you with information on a Scotsman training class held in Montgomery, Alabama. The date for the class is Tuesday, September 26, 2023. It is a half a day class. It is from 8 a.m. to noon. Donuts and sandwiches are provided. Donuts and sandwiches will be provided. The trainer is Mike, and he's going to go over installation, component ID, sequence of operation. Then you're going to have a hands-on portion. This is the best time for you to go. If you are in Montgomery, Alabama, I highly stress taking this class. I went to a chain yesterday. They had a Scotsman ice machine on their on their beverage dispenser, hosted by URI. Phone number is listed below. You can give them a call at 334-262-1210. This is going to be hosted at your local URI if you are in Montgomery, Alabama. Call them, get signed up, and sign up with an account with United Refrigerations. It's free to do. Once you have an account, you can then purchase ice machines at wholesale and sell them. You can sell and install these units yourself. You can lease these units yourself. If you need help with leasing information, I can give you information to a number of leasing companies, and then they handle all the finances. You just come out and do the cleaning and the filter, but you get your money up front. You get your money up front, and the customer pays the leasing finance company once a month. Then at the end of the lease, you get to buy the machine back. It's really a nice deal. But sign up, URI, Scotsman training class, September 26th. Thanks for watching my content, and I wish you much success out there.